Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another work from home job lead. This one does not require very much experience at all, and they will fully train you. So this is good for those of you who have never worked from home, don't have much experience, but want to break into the work from home field. So we will keep today's video short and sweet. Just know the links to everything are in the YouTube description box below. Now, the Roadside Assistance Company, AAA, they are hiring a remote customer service rep for their emergency roadside. Now, the link that I have in the YouTube description box will bring up this website. When you are here, you can just click View Summary, and the complete description of the job will pop up. But they are looking for someone to answer their roadside assistance calls and make the customer feel that they have safety, security, and peace of mind on their side. You'll provide superior customer service during every member interaction. You'll respond to a whole volume of emergency roadside service requests in a call center environment. You'll respond to the member needs with empathy and understanding. You'll gather any information that is needed and supply solutions to the members to get them back up and running and on the road. Now, you do have time to get those applications in. They provide full-time training of 4 weeks worth, and that training will begin after the holidays on January 12th of 2023. You do have to be available Monday through Friday from the hours of 10 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. for the training session. After the training session, they offer various afternoon, evening, and weekend shifts available, so you can pick different shifts, and they also offer voluntary overtime opportunities so you can make extra money. Now, they start you off at $19 an hour, and they off-shift premium, which is additional hourly pay for evening and overnight time frame hours. They offer a complete benefit package including medical, dental, vision, 401k, paid time off, and you also get a free AAA membership. Now, if you are interested in this, they do require a high school diploma or GED, but no college degree, and they only require 6 months of customer service experience. Call center experience is always preferred, but it is not required. 6 months of customer service can be anything from when you served a customer, waiting tables, retail, checking out, people being a cashier in like a JCPenney's or a store, babysitting. So it is not much experience at all. They do want someone who can work a computer with multiple applications. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you so much for watching and supporting me. If you are celebrating the upcoming Thanksgiving holiday, I hope you have a fabulous time with your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.